Here's one word that'll boost your confidence immediately. No fancy tricks. Most of us say, I think, or maybe, when we're unsure. But that actually makes you sound hesitant, even when you know your stuff. Replace it with this simple phrase, I believe. It shows that you trust your knowledge and stand by what you say, even if it's a suggestion, not a command. Psychology says confidence isn't about being right, it's about how you communicate. I believe makes you sound thoughtful and self-assured. Use it in your next meeting and watch how people listen differently. Follow MindTales for more career-boosting hacks.